The News tab gives you access to trading resources like live news feed, daily technical analysis, economic calendar, market statistics, and central bank interest rates. The Analysis tab displays the day-to-day market analysis published on our website and used by traders to identify key technical levels for major currency pairs and stock indices. Make sure to subscribe and receive daily updates directly in your inbox. Tapping on Calendar opens the Economic Calendar, where you can find a schedule of key global economic events coming in the next 5 days. You can view a detailed description of each economic event and how it may affect the relevant markets. The Economic Calendar is a vital tool for traders, which enables you to understand the impact of key market-moving events so you can better plan your trading strategies. In the market statistics, you can check which are the biggest gainers and biggest losers from a given asset class. In order to get a more comprehensive picture of the market, here you can set several time intervals ranging from 1 day to 5 years.